Like it, Papa. They have like half blooms, little flower buds, full blooms, and it makes it look so real. Wawa. So now we're gonna arrange this, and by we I mean Ricky and Prestige Botanicals.
Call my name. If you wander back again, call my number, call my name.
Look, that's so pretty! Ricky arranged all of them, and Estar picked out all of the flowers.
For the main piece,
Yeah.
and she gave me the headlock.
Teamwork, baby.
Yeah, 100%.
So
You can't
beautiful.
go wrong with her product.
That's true. These aren't real.
No, these are all artificial.
Wow. I can like smell them just by how real they look. I'm like,
Stell dir das mal vor, setzt du in deiner Küche.
Call my name.
Two-story for the two-story closet. My God. Yeah.
This is Gelfinium.
Delphinium.
I used it in white and blue in your...
Excuse me, sir. Where are you going? I can see you later, bye. It's like the pillars. They picked out all the vases and every vases? Vases?
Vase.
Vase.